everyone, this is Sybil, your skin fitness expert. I'm here today to talk about Jane Iredale's BB cream, Glow Time, and I'm specifically here to talk about how to apply it onto peeling skin.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.
So if you look, I am peeling everywhere. I used a product just recently that has made my skin peel. And although I wouldn't usually use a BB cream on my face because I have an oilier skin type and BB creams are a little too heavy for my skin, I'd probably use a Dream Tint, also known as a CC cream, or just her pressed powder. Today I'm going to be using her BB cream because it has an oilier texture. It's more creamy, and therefore that will both keep me hydrated and will also hold my skin on throughout the day, so I'm less likely to shed everywhere. So that's important. If you are prone to breakout, even if you're shedding a lot, if you're not also dry, you might want to contemplate not using this and just using a Disappear with the Dream Tint instead. But if you're getting very, very dry, a lot of times we get dry from something that's happened, and that's why we're peeling, like sunburns, laser, something like that, this is the answer. So how we're going to apply this, and this is always how we're going to apply a BB cream. We're going to go ahead and with the Iredale, we're going to put about a eraser tip amount on. And how I like to apply it is I like to dot it on my face. And then with Iredale, hers is very kind of, I'm going to say bitchy about like rubbing. It doesn't like to be rubbed. It likes to be tapped. So you're going to tap it in the skin. And this is really important. The tapping is really important anyways when you have skin that's falling off your face. Because when you rub it, your skin is literally going to fall off and it's going to get stuck in everywhere. And we don't want that. So we're just going to kind of like tap it around to apply it to our face, okay? And so we're just going to like kind of mush it in there, all right? Top it around, top it around, top it around, and get it all up over. And if you find that you need to apply extra, you can. But I do find with Iredale, less is more. If you have, like for me, a lot of times we get like a lot of peeling here, puff out your cheeks. And apply it there, okay? But I will find that we just get it kind of pushed in, and suddenly it all just kind of heats up and you're covered and your face is now kind of attached and we're there. If you are covering a lot of redness, one of the things that I'll make sure that I do if I'm covering a lot of redness is I'll try to use a color that's a little more yellow than I am. So for me, I use the BB cream, the Glow Time, that is my regular color, which I'm a B3. And then I'm usually an ivory pressed, but I like to use a pressed powder on top, and I'm actually gonna use a bisque because it's kind of yellow, okay? It's a little too yellow for me naturally, but once I apply it, it's going to cover up any kind of redness that I have that's kind of bleeding through. And I'll apply it right on top, and I use a flock sponge, and I have videos on how to do that as well. You do not have to do this extra step if this is something that you're not into, but I find for peeling skin that the extra step helps because it's just a little bit extra to hold that on, because we're trying to just hold on that peeling skin. Right? We're just trying to hold on that peeling skin. And here you can watch my scar. Kind of the redness will just kind of disappear a little bit, right? And so that's on. And then remember with Iredale, if we don't set, it's not finished. So we always make sure we finish with the setting mist, Iredale setting mist. Today I'm going to be using her palm mist because her palm mist is really going to hydrate me. And that's it. So if you wind up having any questions, you can always ask for assistance. I'm happy to help. You have a great day. Bye. Ta-da. If you have any little bits there. coming off, just kind of tack them down. Don't pick. Don't pick. Just tack them down. Okay? Don't pick. It's going to cause damage to the skin. I know it's hard. And really make sure you put a lip color on. All right. All right, now really, bye.